So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in racing over a given distance d at uniform speed, A can beat B by 30 meters, B can beat C by 20 meters and A can beat C by 48 meters. Then we have to find the value of d in meters. So let's see how we can solve this. So let's say d is the distance that they are covering. D is the distance that they are covering. And we have three persons A, B and C. Let's say A speed is also I am denoting by A and B speed I am denoting by B and C speed I am denoting by C. And this is the D distance they are covering. This whole distance. So initially we look at A and B person. So A start from here, he covers the distance this D. Let's say t1 is time that is taken by A. So t1 is d by A, distance divided by its speed. And in that time, B covers 30 meter less. You can see A can beat B by 30 meters. So B also running, but he reach only up to this point. This distance 30 meter is left. So D minus 30 divided by B is the distance that is covering by B in the same time. So this time is also equal to the T1. B is covering 30 meter less distance compared to A. So we can equate these two. So A covering D distance and B covering D minus 30 distance in the same time. So time is same. So we can equate these two. So from here we can get one relation. Second, it is given that B can beat C by 20 meters. B can beat C by 20 meters. So let's say now this is the D distance. Now B and C are running. Let's suppose B cover this D distance in T1 time. So we can write T1 is D by B, and in the same time T1 C covers 20 meter less. So C reaches till only here. So this 20 meter is remaining in the same time. So this is the condition of C. So time is same. So we can equate these two. So now we can get this relation also. D minus D divided by B is equal to D minus 20 divided by C. And the third condition is A can beat C by 48 meters. So in the same way we can write this equation also. When A cover D distance, C cover 48 meters less distance in the same time. So we can write this equation also. So we have basically three equations. So what are those three equations? D divided by A is equal to D minus 30 divided by B, and D divided by B is equal to D minus 20 divided by C, and D divided by A is equal to D minus 48 divided by C. So we have these three equations. So now if we use this and this, so what we can say? No, this, let's say this is our equation 1, this is our equation 2, this is our equation 3. So d by a and d by a common in both of these. So we can use this equal to this. So from first and third equation we can write d minus 30 divided by b is equal to d minus 48 divided by c. Because from the first equation d by a value is equal to this, and from this equation d by a value is equal to this. So we can equate both of these. Now our ultimate goal is to find the value of d. Now you see, in this equation I have d, b and c as variables. So if I put b value from this equation, like this second equation, I can put b is equal to dc divided by d minus 20. I can put this value. So you can see here I am putting dc divided by d minus 20 instead of b. In the place of b I am putting this. So you can see I am cancelling this c. So now I have full equation in D. So I can find the value of D from here. So it will come like D minus 30, and this D minus 20 goes upper side. So this will come like this. And from here, this D is remaining that go this side. And we have this finally. So now you can solve this. So it is in quadratic. So D square minus 50D plus 600 is equal to D square minus 48D. So D square is cancelling. So we can write 2D is equal to 600. So from here D is equal to 300 is coming. So in this way we can solve this. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. We will meet in next video.